Let's step ahead to solve these short questions, and you are going to clear all your doubts in your head regarding solving this. And let's get started to solve the problem on the screen, that is from double integration, that is integral 0 to 4 and integral y square by 4 to y by x square plus y square dx dy. And here is the solution. So in this, the limits are y is equal to 0 to 4 and the x limits are from y square to 4 to x is equal to y. So first of all, we have to integrate this with respect to x. So first of all, if I integrate with respect to x, so first with respect to x we have to integrate. So see here, so y is equal to 0 to 4. When we are integrating with respect to x, so y will be a constant. So y I am keeping aside. And see, we have a formula that 1 by 1 plus x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. So 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. See here, in place of a we have this one. In place of a we have y. So this will be 1 by a, 1 by y, tan inverse of x by a. In place of a we have y. So between the limits, here the limits are y square by 4 to y into dy. So the x limits are. So now I can cancel this one, and the y limits are from 0 to 4. This is tan inverse of x by y. Between the limits, x is equal to y square by 4 and x is equal to y into this is dy. So in place of x I have to substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. So this will be y is equal to 0 to 4 and tan inverse of, in place of x I have to write y by y minus, so this is tan inverse of, in place of x I have to write, this is y square by 4 and already there is y here, into dy. So now I can cancel this y for one time and this y for one time. So what remains here? So this is y is equal to 0 to 4. So this will be tan inverse of 1 minus this is tan inverse of y by 4 of dy. So tan inverse of 1. So when we will get 1, so at 45 degrees. So I am writing this as pi by 4 minus this is tan inverse of y by 4. So this is 4, y by 4 of dy. Now this time I am going to integrate this with respect to y this time. So if I integrate with respect to y, so this will be pi by 4 is a constant, integral 0 to 4, this is dy minus y limits are 0 to 4. This will be tan inverse of y by 4 of dy. So this is integration by parts. So I have to do tan inverse of x as 1 into, I have to write as 1 into. So what is u and what is v? So this is ILATE, I-L-A-T-E. So I means trigonometric functions, L means algebraic functions, L is logarithmic functions and A is algebraic functions, x square, x power 4. So 1 will be x power 0 and this is algebraic function, and T is trigonometric function, sin x, cos x, tan x, and E is exponential functions. And this is the order we have to follow. So first of all, when you see, so this is an inverse trigonometric functions, I have to name it as u. And later if I go there, so here is an algebraic function, so I have to give it as v. So this is the order we have to follow in integration by parts. So inverse trigonometric function is my first integral and the second one is algebraic function. So let's get started to solve this. So in order to solve this, see here, this is pi by 4 times of integral dy is nothing but y. So integral dy is nothing but y. Between the limits is 0 to 4 minus, and here, so we have to use this one. So which formula you have to use? So this is integration by parts. U v dy is nothing but u we have to leave, v we have to integrate. minus integral derivative, that is d by, so this is d by dy of u integral v dy whole dy. So this formula if I apply in this, then see what will happen. So u we have to leave as it is. So what is u here? This is tan inverse of y by 4, we have to leave as it is, and we have to integrate v. So what is the integral v? So for 1 dy it is nothing but y minus the derivative of u. So what is the derivative of this one? So this is 1 by 1 plus, this is x square, that is y by 4 whole square, and again for y it is 1, so 1 by 4 remains, and again v we have to integrate. V it is nothing but 1 dy is nothing but y. So here ends the matter, and between the limits, see here y is equal to 0 to 4. So now I have to substitute. So this is, if I substitute 4 in this, this will be pi by 4 into 4 minus of, so this is tan inverse of y by y. So wherever I find y, so I have to keep, what I have to keep? 4. So this will be 4 by 4 into this one is 4 minus, so this is once again 1 plus, this is y square by 16, this will be y by 4. So between the limits here are 0 to 4. So I have substituted here, and I have to calculate and substitute here. So this is for one time and this is for one time. If I cancel, so this will be pi minus, so this is the tan inverse of 1 minus, so if I send 16 to the numerator, this will be 16 plus y square, and this is y by 4 between the limits. See the limits here are from 0 to 4, and there is another y here, so this is y by 4. So this is y by 4 and this is 16, and this is 16 by y square, and see this will be pi minus, if you observe, this is tan inverse of 1 and there is 4 here, this is 4 into tan inverse of 1 here, so this is 4 into pi by 4 minus, so if I cancel this for how many times? So I have to cancel this for 4 times, so this will be integral 4y by, this is a 16 plus y square of dy. So still I have to make an integration. See here. So this is integral dy is still there here. So this is dy and this is integral dy. So this is integral dy, and here see. So this is pi minus. If I cancel this, this will be pi minus. And if I write 2 outside, this will be 2y dy by, this is y square plus 4 square. So between the limits, is 0 to 4. Between the limits 0 to 4, here also 0 to 4, here also 0 to 4. And see, this is pi minus pi. If I multiply with minus, this will be 2 times of 0 to 4. 0 to 4. This is 2y dy by y square plus 4 square. So now I can cancel this one. So what remains here? So this will be 2 times of, for y square the derivative is 2y. So I can write this as log of y square plus 16 between the limits 0 to 4. So now I have to substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. This is log of, this is 4 square plus 16 minus log of 0 plus 16. So this value will be 2 times of log of 16 plus 16 minus log of 16. So the value here is 2 times of log of 32. 32 minus log of 16. So log A minus log B is equal to 2 times of log A divided by B. So now I can cancel this for 2 times. So if I cancel, what remains here? So this is 2 log 2. So this is how we have to solve. And what is the question here? The question here I am showing it, that is 0 to 4, and this is y square by 4 to y. This is y by x square plus y square into dx into dy value is nothing but 2 log 2. See, I'll explain once again. So these are the y limits and these are the x limits. So first of all, we have to integrate this with respect to x. So if it's with respect to x, y will be constant. And if I apply in this formula, so this is the formula, that is integral x square plus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a times of tan inverse of x by a. So if I apply this formula, then see tan inverse of xy in place of a we have y. So I have to apply the upper limit minus lower limit. After applying upper limit minus lower limit, this time I have to integrate with respect to y. So integral tan inverse of y by 4, it is not possible. So we have to make integration by parts. How we have to take? So we have to take inverse trigonometric functions as a first function and the algebraic function as a second function. So this is the formula. In this formula, if we apply and see, here is the logic. First of all, we have to leave u as it is here and we have to integrate v with respect to y. This will be y minus integral. So whatever we have left u, we have to make a derivative, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, and for y it is 1 by 4, and again we have to make a integration of v, that is y of dy. So this is dy. So this will be, if I keep the limits, it will be cancelled. So here if I keep 4, this will be cancelled and this will be 4 times of tan inverse of y minus, if you solve and integrate for once again, so this will be the answer. So if you follow this video and do it for 1 or 2 times, and this will be very easy and simpler for you. And see here, the next question here is, so if you observe, the next question here is, I'm solving it for you, and these are the y limits and this is the x limit. Here is the solution for this, and the x limits are 0 to pi by 2 and the y limits are from -1 to +1, and this is x square and this is y square dy dx. First I'll make integration with respect to y. If I make integration with respect to y, see, x is equal to 0 to pi by 2. With respect to y, what is constant? X square is constant, and for y, this will be y cube by 3 between the limits -1 to +1 of dx. So if I apply the limits, then this will be 0 to pi by 2 and this is x square. The upper limit is 1 by 3 minus, for lower limit -1. So this will be +1 by 3 of dx. So this is, the x limits are from 0 to pi by 2 and this is x square and this is 2 by 3 of dx. So now, so the x limits are from 0 to pi by 2. This is 2 by 3 into x square of dx. Now we have to integrate with respect to x. So this time with respect to x. So with respect to y for one time and with respect to x for one time. So this will be x cube by 3 between the limits 0 to pi by 2. So if I substitute the limits, this will be pi cube by 8 into 3. And if it's 0, it will be 0. So if I cancel for how many times? This is for 4 times. So the answer will be, this is pi cube by, so this is 12 threes, that is 36. Therefore our question 0 to pi by 2 and this is -1 to +1, x square y square dx dy value is nothing but pi cube by 36. This is how we have to solve. So first of all, we have to integrate with respect to y and we have to treat x as a constant and substitute the limits. So after substituting, we have to integrate with respect to x this time and substitute the limits, so that we got the answer as pi cube by 36. And here is another question for you, and this is also important. And see, the solution for this is, so this is integral 0 to infinity, this we can write as e power minus x square into e power minus y square into dx into dy. So if I rearrange it, this is integral 0 to infinity e power minus x square dx, and integral 0 to infinity, this will be e power minus y square dy. And here you have to remember one formula, that is integral 0 to infinity e power minus x square dx is nothing but root pi by 2. So this is the standard thing. So if I apply here, this will be root pi by 2, and this is also root pi by 2. So if I multiply, this will be pi by 4. Therefore our answer, that is 0 to infinity, this is 0 to infinity e power minus x square plus y square dx dy value is nothing but pi by 4. So this is how we have to solve. And thank you so much for listening to me till here, and I'll keep bringing up many videos in this series, and stay connected. Very soon coming up with another video, and please practice meanwhile, and if you really like, pass it on and subscribe to this channel, and please take time to raise your thumb.